Dude, I think I see it now. That
yeah,
one. That's a gold one.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I can feel the good luck now. Hola, hey amigos, my adlaw. On today's episode, we're going to be exploring the historical city of Nuremburg. Now, there wasn't much left of the Christmas markets when I arrived at 9 p.m. But thankfully, one of my good friends, Thorsten, gave me a walking tour of the city at night. So, hali! Mang lag na punta.
Welcome to Nuremberg.
But this is just outside the train station.
Yeah, right.
Oh, sehr schön. Dude, this is so beautiful.
But there's the tourist information, so maybe this will help.
Well, you have beautiful Christmas lights. And you're kind of used to this now because you've been living here for how many years now?
Only one.
Oh,
Actually.
Berkeley.
1 year and 5 months.
Do you like Christmas markets?
No, I don't really like them.
Barum, why?
I don't know, they are kind of boring.
Really? But when you were a kid though?
I never liked them. It's just like walking around, looking at the same stuff all the time.
Berkeley.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, but what's your favorite thing in the Christmas market? Probably if you don't like it, but still you have to go there, you still have to eat. What do you...
Oh yeah, I love the waffles.
The waffles.
And the crab.
Yeah.
And the glühwein.
The glühwein, you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, we are gonna have some glühwein tonight.
Yeah.
We're gonna look for some. Oh, they have heiße maroni here. So for 200 grams, it's 5 euros. Dort, call them castañas in the Philippines.
200 Gramm Maroni.
The Nürnberger Kinderweihnacht. So this is catered to kids. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So what's the difference? They don't have glühwein here. They have Kinderpunsch.
Oh, I think they do. But they're like if we go further down here,
Yeah?
straight, there are like some attractions for kids, like carousel.
So they have the rides.
Oh, yeah.
But they have the glühwein also.
I think so, yeah.
For the parents.
Adults, yeah.
For the parents. Not for the kids. Gross.
Cheers.
Is das?
A fountain,
Okay.
and it's
Auf Deutsch?
like ein Brunnen.
Yeah.
And there's like one special thing about it. There are like
What?
some small wheels within the fence.
Yeah.
And you have to like one is the luck wheel
Yeah.
and one is the Pech wheel.
What?
The Pech wheel.
Was ist das?
That's the opposite of luck.
Oh, wirklich. Oh my god. And
And you have to spin it around like one full rotation
yeah.
to have luck. And if you spin like the wrong wheel,
Oh, okay. So might as well not spin the wheel, I guess.
yeah, you will.
So dude, like, is that a functioning fountain?
I'm not sure. I think it's not. No. Maybe in the summer
Problem, ne?
it also has water,
Oh, yeah, genau.
but right now it's turned off.
Yeah, because they have
I'm
the
also not
drainage
quite sure
here.
if it has water in the summer months.
So we're still trying to find the wheel. Oh, dude, I think I see it now. That
yeah,
one. That's
one.
a gold one.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's it.
Aber.
And you have to spin it around like for one full rotation.
Yeah. And how will I know that's like the luck wheel?
Because that's like the touristy thing. It's like
The gold one.
golden because so many people touched it already. I think the local wheel is still.
It's just over there. Maybe it's
I
on the
think
other
it's
side.
on the other side, but we can't go there because there's like a fence.
Okay, so if you guys can see that, it's gold. So, oh my gosh. I can feel the good luck now. It's a good one. I felt like I was on the Da Vinci Code.
Yeah. And we were lucky because the security passed us without noticing.
Really?
Yeah, I was already in trouble here sometimes.
And it's not allowed?
No, you aren't allowed to go within the fence. Like,
No, we didn't go there.
no, I mean, yeah, we didn't. But like, you shouldn't go behind the huts as well. I
Oh,
guess.
oh my god. I'm so sorry.
Don't worry. Left side there were like, how's the job called where you bake like, bakeries.
This is a bakery?
No, there were like bakeries in the, and it's funny because there's like within the old law court,
Yeah.
there is like a hole in the floor
Uh-huh.
so that you can hear the people in the dungeon screaming,
Oh, wirklich.
so that the people that are
The prisoners.
no, that the people that were charged with the
Oh, really? Over there?
no up there,
Uh-huh.
and you just go in there, grab a beer,
Uh-huh.
and then you can sit like on this.
A beer or a radler?
Oh, I will have a beer.
Oh, this is so beautiful.
Pipe?
This one? Oh, there are a lot of tourists in here.
No, because everybody is just sitting on the floor having their beer.
Oh, wirklich.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's really nice. I like that.
Do
It
they
always
get...
reminds me of life being easy and of being free.
summer must be beautiful here then. Yeah, I can imagine.
There's also another place for having a beer outside of the inner circle of the city.
Where are we now? This is the castle?
That's a castle.
Hello.
Hi.
So this is the castle.
That's the castle, yes. I actually don't know any background story to it.
Yeah?
It's simply the castle.
It's beautiful. Inside the castle now, and look at this, guys. There's a... Oh my god, it's moving, it's dancing, the Christmas tree. Oh, it's so beautiful. Quite windy though.
Yeah, it's really chilly.
Oh my god. Wait for it, wait for it.
Huh?
Wait for it, and the view. Oh. So this is Nuremburg. So this is the Altstadt, the old city, the old part of
right.
town.
We're like in the northeast of the
Mm-hmm.
old town.
But where's the modern part of the city though?
Like the city itself is huge. Like you could go like 3 kilometers to the north.
Uh-huh.
I think pretty much 3 or 4 kilometers to the east. Also to the west.
And-
Hey,
And basically that was the tour.
that was the tour.
Yeah, vielen Dank, Thorsten.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, man.